Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to solve Gemini Live option not showing. So to run the diagnostics, firstly let's check the language trigger. So this is the number one fix. So if you're on your phone, go to your phone settings, system, and then languages. And then ensure that your English United States is at the very top of your list. If it isn't, Gemini Live might disable itself. Drag it to the number one spot, force close Gemini, and reopen it. Also guys, open your Google account settings, either on the phone or on your computer. So we go to Google settings, okay, Google settings, click on your profile picture and go manage your Google accounts. And why we do this is because we need to verify the age in our accounts. So this Gemini Live function is strictly for users for 18 years old and older. If your birth date isn't verified, or if you're using a workspace account, school or work, the option might be hidden. So just stick to the personal Gmail account for full access. Then, if you're on the phone once again, go to Settings, Apps and Gemini, tap Storage and Cache and clear that cache. This forces the app to resync your feature permissions. And also ensure that your activity tracking is on, so tap on your profile picture, in the Google app, manage your Google account, and then go to Data and Privacy, right over here. And as you can see, we have a tab for Web and App Activity. Click on it, and then just make sure that it's off, and then just make sure that it's on. In my case, as you can see, it's turned on. And yeah, you're now back to the real-time collaboration. If this guide helped you find your voice again today, hit like and subscribe.